Good morning, my dear students. Today we are discussing about leukocytes. Leukocytes is also known as a WBC, means white blood cells. So what is our last topic? RBC, red blood cells. So the next one we are discussing about WBC. WBC means is also known as a leukocytes. So the leukocytes, what is the definition of the leukopoiesis, or what is the leukopoiesis definition? Mean the process and development of development and maturation of WBC. WBC is known as leukopoiesis. Leukopoiesis. What is the leukopoiesis? Process and development of the simple word development maturation of the WBC is known as a leukopoiesis. So the next one, the leukopoiesis. So in the leukopoiesis, the next one, what is the WBC, and the WBC, what is the normal values of the WBC? Normal ranges. Normal values. So what is the normal values of the WBC at birth? At birth, it's 10,000 to 25,000 per ml microliters. The next one, infants up to 1 year is 6,000 to 16,000 per microliter. Then in adults 4,000 to 11,000 per ml of blood. So what is the normal range? At birth is 10,000 to 25,000 ml, and the next one is in infants 1 year to 16,000. The next one, adults 4,000 to 11,000. So what is the types? What is the types of the WBC? What is the types of the WBC? The WBC is classified, is divided into, depends upon the granules. It's divided into two types. Depends upon the granules. So first one is the granulocytes. And second one is the agranulocytes. So what is the granules? What is the agranules? So what is the granulocytes means? In here, in granulocytes, first what is the granulocytes? The granulocytes having the two or more lobes are presented. And a small particle size. Particles are presented in the cell. Is known as a granulocytes. So in here only one lobe is presented. And particles are absent in the granulocytes. So what is the granulocytes? The granulocytes means it containing the two or more lobes, and the next one, it containing the small particles in the cell. But in a granulocytes there is no chance for the particles, and as well as the only one lobe is presented. A clear solution is presented in the granulocyte. So that is the main difference between granulocytes and agranulocytes. And again, the granulocytes are classified into three types. Agranulocytes are classified into two types. Granulocytes are classified into two types. So granulocytes is the first one is the neutrophils. And the next one eosinophils. And the next one basophils. And here granulocytes, lymphocytes, lymphocytes, and the next one monocytes. Lymphocytes and monocytes. So now we discuss about neutrophils. So what is the neutrophils? What is the normal range? What is the importance of the neutrophils? So neutrophils is the structure. What is the neutrophil structure? For example, this is the structure of the neutrophil. It containing the, what is the cell size? What is the cell size? Is a 10 to 14 μm. The cell size is a 10 to 14 μm. And the next one, the nucleus, the central or eccentric, the nucleus lobes. How nucleus? The nucleus is containing the central point of the nucleus. It containing the 2 to 6 lobes. 2 to 6 lobes means this is called as lobes. 2 to 6 lobes are presented in the nucleus. Say 2 to 6 lobes are presented in the nucleus. And cytoplasm is a faint pink color. A faint pink color in the cytoplasm. Granules also presented in the cytoplasm. So granules are presented in the cytoplasm. So that granules is the violet in color, violet or pink color. So this is about neutrophils. And neutrophils is what is the normal values of the neutrophils? What is the normal value of the neutrophils? It is it containing the 40 to 75%. 40 to 75% the neutrophils are presented in the WBC. 40 to 75% is presented in the WBC, especially 2000 to 7500 ml of the blood occupied by the only neutrophils. So what is the normal range? 4000 to 11,000. In here, especially 2000 to 7500 cells are occupied by the only neutrophils. The percentage is 40 to 75% is occupied by the neutrophils. This is about neutrophils. And the next one, eosinophils. So this is eosinophil structure. This is the eosinophil structure. So what is the size of the eosinophil? 10 to 14 μm. Here also 10 to 14 μm. The next one, what is the nucleus? What about the nucleus? In here 2 to 3 lobes are presented here. 2 to 3 only lobes. 2 to 3 lobes are presented in the central or in the nucleus. And this one is the which color? Purple color. This is the which color? Purple color lobes are presented. And the next one, what about cytoplasm? The cytoplasm is a bright pink in color. Bright pink in color. So this is the dots is nothing like that. Cytoplasm, bright pink in color. And granules is a large size granules and red in color. Large size granules are presented in and red in color. So what is the normal value? 1 to 6% occupied the eosinophils. Exactly 40 to 440 ml of the blood is occupied in this eosinophils. The next one, what is the basophils? So the basophil structure, this is about basophil structure. The cell size is the same, 10 to 14 μm. And the next one, what about a nucleus? In here also 2 to 3 lobes are presented. Which color? Purple blue color here. Purple blue color. And the next one, what about cytoplasm? It is full of granules are presented in the cytoplasm. Full of granules are presented here. So these are the one. and 2 to 3 lobes are presented here, a total occupied with a full of granules. Compare than the other cells, a more amount of the granules are presented in the basophil. And the next one, granules is the what about granules? It is a deep purple blue color, deep purple blue color, deep purple blue color. So what is the normal range? So 0 to 1 percentage, and the next one absolutely 0 to 100 ml of the blood. So this is about basophils. The next one about agranulocytes. So agranulocytes, it containing the only nucleus, only one nucleus. There is no chance for the more than one nucleus, and as well as the in here absence of the granules. So this is a structure about of the monocytes. It is the structure about of the monocytes, and in this monocytes a large nucleus is presented. What is the size range of the monocytes? Is 12 to 20 μm. 12 to 20 μm is the cell size. And the next one, nucleus is a oval shape or round shape nucleus is presented. Oval or round shape nucleus is presented. A round shape nucleus is presented. And the next one, purple bluish color or pale bluish color is presented. Pale bluish color in the presence of nucleus. And granules are absent, and cytoplasm is a clear solution. What is the normal values? 2 to 10 percentage occupied in the total blood cells, and exactly 500 to 800 ml of the blood. The next one, lymphocytes. So what is the importance of the lymphocytes? What is the size range? So lymphocyte size range is 12 to 16 μm. And the next one, nucleus is a larger round nucleus is presented. So the large round nucleus is presented. There is a large round nucleus. Round nucleus is presented, and color is the purple blue color, and cytoplasm is a light blue in color. Granules are absent. Cytoplasm is a light blue color. Cytoplasm is a light blue color. What is the normal values? And normal values is 20 to 40 percentage. And absolutely it containing the 1500 to 4000 ml. This is about neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils, lymphocytes, and monocytes, and types and properties. The next one, what is the lifespan of the WBC? So in here, each and every cell having the different lifespans. So for example, neutrophils 2 to 5 days only. About neutrophils 2 to 5 days. And the next one, eosinophils is 7 to 12 days. And the next one, basophils is 12 to 15 days. And the next one, monocytes is containing the 2 to 5 days. And lymphocytes is 1 day, up to 1 day only. This is the lifespan of the WBC. So lifespan of the WBC of the different particles. The next one, what is the functions of the WBC? So what is the functions of the WBC? So what is the functions of the WBC? So first one, neutrophils. What about neutrophil function? It is a first line of defense. defense. First line of defense means in case of microorganisms, any other toxic compounds are entering in our body, first compound, the neutrophils are attacked against of the toxic compounds in the body. So that's why this first function is the first line of the defense of the neutrophils. And the granules are presented in the neutrophil. The granules containing the enzymes. That enzyme is called as a catalase enzyme. Catalases enzyme. And second one is the nucleotidase enzyme. The next one is eosinophils. So what about eosinophils? So it is also defense of the compound and role in the allergic reaction. So any allergic compounds are entering in our body. So these are act as against of the particular allergic reactions. The next one, it is a major basic of protein. Act as a major basic of protein. And especially cationic proteins are present in the eosinophil. Cationic proteins are presented in the eosinophil cells. The next one, basophils. So what about basophils? It one is the mainly role in allergic response. And the next one, the substances are presented in the granules. Which type of substances? Like histamine, heparin. Histamine and heparin both are presented in the coagulation factors. And the next one, proteases enzyme is presented. Protease enzyme is presented in the basophil. And the next one, what about monocytes? So monocytes, it is also first line of defense. And the next one, it is a colony stimulating factor. Act as a colony stimulating factor. And the next one, platelet activating factor. Platelet activate factor. The next one, lymphocytes. So what about lymphocytes? So the lymphocytes is mainly act as a increase the immunity in the body. It is the immunity in the body. So it containing the T lymphocytes and B lymphocytes are presented in our body. T lymphocytes is the increase the cellular immunity. B lymphocytes is the humoral immunity by the different lymphocytes. So this is about functions, types, and introduction, normal values of the leukocytes. If you have any doubts, tomorrow we will discuss.